Hello all, today we will see another video about sugar free banana wheat cake. For this you are going to need 2 big bananas. If you don't have, you can take 3 or 4 small bananas, and I'm deseeding the dates. Here I have taken 3 dates. You have to soak the dates with milk and add a handful of oat mix, rolled oat, and I'm adding oats. Give it a quick mix and then allow it to soak. I have added little cinnamon powder and I'm adding some almonds. All this has to be soaked and has to be grinded. And if you want some more flavor, you can add some more vanilla essence to it. Now take the bananas. Here I am not using the beater because the texture will not come if you use the beater, so I am using a fork to mash the bananas well. Mash it completely, and if small chunks are there, just leave it. It gives a good texture to the cake. Mash it well. To this mixture we will add a spoon of peanut butter, I have taken 115 ml of milk to soak the dates. Taken peanut butter, salted one, because I'm not adding salt to the cake, so the salt in the peanut butter will compensate the salt. I'm going to add 1 full teaspoon of peanut butter to it. Now mix the banana and peanut butter well. Now this cake is high protein and no sugar. It is very good. I've added some vanilla essence. Now I will add an egg, 1 full egg, big size egg. Now we have to mash the peanut butter and banana well before mixing the egg. To mix all this, I'm adding little milk. Mash it well until the peanut butter and banana mix-ups. I'm adding 1 whole egg. It's a big egg. You can beat it separately and you can also add it to the batter, but I like it this way. Beat it nicely so that you don't get the raw smell out of it. I've already added vanilla essence also. That gives that suppresses the egg smell from the cake. Now mix it thoroughly so there is no eggs that is not mixed properly. Now I am going to grind the dates, almond, milk and oat mixture. I am adding baking soda and baking powder, each 1/4 of a teaspoon, So I added together as 1/4 of baking powder and 1/4 spoon of baking soda, and I add a little oil. If you have butter, you can add melted butter to it. This is the blended mixture of dates, oats, milk and almond. Oats gives a good fluffiness to the cake. And I have taken 125 ml of wheat flour, whole wheat flour. I have not used all-purpose flour. I have used whole wheat flour. I am mixing it gently so you don't break the air bubbles which is already inside. Mix it gently. If you find the batter little thick, you can add water, just normal water. Add it little by little until you get a smooth batter like consistency. Take a baking pan, align it with the baking sheet, cut it in the same shape and just align it, and fill the batter until it is half reached. Don't fill it more, only half reached. You have to fill it only until it is half reached. Garnish it with some crushed walnuts, raisins and almond. I have preheated the oven to 1 minute and I am in full power.